science can be abstract in a lot of different ways. Promoting equity ensures that we're truly preparing all students to succeed, just making sure that they have that exposure to even know what computer science is. And I had a girls coding group, and I kind of recruited some random girls, they weren't interested in it initially. But then we started building projects that were kind of meaningful to them. One of my students, her dream, she wanted to make the world a better place. She wanted to help clean the ocean, and she wanted to make a boat that cleaned water. Let me tell you, this project lasted a few months. She was 3D printing different models. She got some servo motors. The servo motors were turning in the right direction. The code wasn't working, and we were all helping to make this project successful. And then one magical day, everything worked. The motors were turning in the right direction. The boat wasn't sinking. Water wasn't getting into the 3D print, and it actually collected trash. And the cheers from the girls, they were unstoppable after that. Definitely start small. Be curious. Just remembering that your willingness to embrace all these uncertainties inspires confidence in your students. I think students love the fact that they might be teaching you something new and you're learning alongside them. I think physical computing and design thinking specifically encourages students to connect digital skills with tangible real-world challenges, and then preparing them to tackle complex problems creatively, ethically, and even collaboratively. When students see themselves actually making change and actually this is something, even at a young age, that's something that they could do, it gives them a sense of pride, and it gives them that ability to see themselves as future computer scientists or future engineers that can actually do this role.